Hey everyone, my name is Afsal Khan, and today I'm excited to present my AutoCAD 2D and 3D course for beginners. My course is designed to get you up to speed with AutoCAD. I can help you make your AutoCAD skill set the best it can be. Don't miss out, subscribe now. We are delighted to have you here in our AutoCAD 2017 course. In this class, we will be exploring how to insert annotations and create projects such as connecting a house to a road or main road. Additionally, we will look into drawing a cinema building, understanding the size and dimensions, and all of the tools needed for it. We will also be delving into the home option and its various functions, such as edit, annotation layers, and draw tools. Learn how to place items such as doors, windows, and chairs in the design. We are sure that by the end of this course, you will be well-versed in the basics of AutoCAD 2017 and have a good grasp of how to create small projects with it, so you can draw your plans in 3D modeling of your house. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, this course will give you the tools you need to master the art of AutoCAD design. Are you looking to become a master of AutoCAD? Subscribe to my channel today and take the next step in mastering this incredible software. With a variety of tutorials and tips,